Hi, I'm James. In this video I'll be showing you how to install an Aqualisa Quartz concealed controller. When installing a concealed smart shower system, the pipework and data cables should be installed prior to tiling. Concealed cables must be protected by a suitably sized conduit to allow for removal in the event of service or maintenance. Ensure that the conduit is run to avoid the controller fixing holes. Holding the wall plate on the wall in the desired location for the shower control, mark fixing points. Drill and prepare the 4 wall fixings for the controller using the fixings provided. Ensure the data cable is held securely by the narrow middle slot of the mounting plate and fixed to the wall using the screws provided. Plug the data cable into the rear of the controller and slide onto the mounting plate. Secure the controller to the backplate with the fixing screw located at the bottom of the controller using a small posi drive screwdriver.